Welcome students to a very quick introduction to Minecraft. For those of you who have never played Minecraft before, this is where you first start. When you first come in, this is your character that you're going to create over here, and you can change your character to a whole bunch of different things just by clicking on buttons. Right off the bat, you're usually going to want to click play. There are some settings and other things you can do, but generally it's just play. And then from here, what I usually ask my students to start with is instead of starting with a world or creating something new or joining someone else's world, I usually ask people to start with the library. And so if you go to the library, there are subject kits, monthly build challenges, and other things. There's a whole section on how to play, which would be beneficial if you've never played Minecraft before. But what I usually ask people to do is to start with some hour of code activities. So if you click on the subject kits, you can see up here it says subject kits now because I've clicked on it. And then you can go to one of the top choices is usually computer science. There's a whole bunch of other choices, obviously, but computer science is what we're most interested in. And then right off the bat, there's some hour of code activities. So these are designed for you to do in one class. And so as an hour of code activity, there's a whole bunch of other choices that are really, really cool. But if you go to the hour of code activity, you can see that there are 4 choices for you. So there's the 2019, the 2020, the 2021, and then just a code down. And so choose any one of those 4 and go ahead and just kind of get used to Minecraft and give it a shot. If you know Minecraft and you're really good at using Minecraft already and you haven't tried one of these before, then please give it a try now. It'll just be a really, really easy way for you to go through. For instance, once you get through, if you click on one of those, then you've got a lesson plan. You can create world, and usually you just want to create world and go through it. It gives you a little explanation here if you want to read more. Okay, and so it's going to download that world or import that world, sorry, and then it's going to give you the opportunity to play. So you can see here that it's a beginner level, and it's a very small world. It's only 2.9 megabytes, and it's for ages 7 to 18, which should be more than enough. Okay. By the way, that clicking the play button over here will pop you up a YouTube window, which allows you to kind of see what's going on in the world and go from there. Now, did it create my world? There we go. Right. And once it initiates the template, it has to go through a number of processes to do that. Sorry, my computer's a little bit slow, but it will eventually get you to a place where you can use the controls. It shows you a bunch of hints, things on your keyboard. But it's really, my computer's really running slow today. Okay. There's a lot more that I can teach you about Minecraft later on, but for right now, I just want you to get started. You can stop this video at any time and just go right ahead and try one of the hours of code. If you don't know, then I hope that this video has kind of shown you a little bit about what you need to do. Okay. You can see here that it does take a little computer to load. Hopefully the computers at school are running a little faster than my teacher laptop. Plus my computer is also running slower because I'm making this video. So, oh yes, it's running significantly slower because I'm making this video. Yeah, it's maxed out right now. Here we go. There we go. Finally loaded. Okay, so once it's loaded, then you can press any button to begin, and you can see the different choices there, and you